Hey everybody, it's Bobby Deen here, and I've got a great recipe for you today. I think you're really going to like it. This is Bobby's Pimento and Cheese. So our whole family, my mom, my brother, and me, even my dad, God rest his soul, we're all really good at making things like pimento and cheese, egg salad, potato salad, chicken salad, tuna salad. These things always just turn out really, really well. So today I'm going to share with you an old recipe that we used for the Bag Lady and at the Lady and Sons also. And it starts with cream cheese. So
rumor has it that you made the best pimento cheese.
I think it's true. My brother
always says Bobby should be making the pimento cheese.
Really? My brother doesn't compliment me very regularly, so to say that my pimento cheese is the best is a nice compliment. But his is great too. All of us are really good at it. I got to use the mixer here, so you're going to see me start mixing, but we'll take a break while I'm doing that and then come back. But I'm going to beat up this softened cream cheese, and then to that we'll add the rest of our ingredients. So I'll begin to mix. You stand by, and we'll see you in just a minute. Our cream cheese is beaten, and now to that we'll go ahead and add in some house seasoning, a little onion, our pimentos, mayonnaise, and two different types of cheese. We've got cheddar and jack cheese. You know what else is good too is we used to add some bacon crumbles to our pimento and cheese on occasionally. Ooh, I mean fresh. We just made it ourselves, bacon. Oh boy, does that add. Olives, green olives are good in there too, if you want to. Pimento cheese, like I said, everything to me is sort of just a suggestion and an idea. You can make it your own. But this recipe is tried and true. So this is the mayonnaise, the cream cheese, the pimentos, a little onion, and now we're going to add in our cheeses, our shredded cheddar.
I forgot to give you this. Cracked black pepper.
Thank you. Yep. I was just looking for it. We'll mix in our cheeses. Yeah, that's going to start to thicken up really nicely. So, this when it's summertime, all of these salad recipes, egg salad, pimento and cheese, tuna salad, these recipes really come in handy at this time of year. They seem to just be better in the summer. This is a real summertime recipe to me.
Do you know what pimento cheese is good on?
Pardon me?
A hamburger.
Oh, yeah. Pimento cheeseburger.
So good on a hamburger.
Mm-hmm. It certainly is. It certainly is. So that's looking really good and pretty well mixed together. I'll just add a little bit of cracked fresh pepper to it. So simple, so delicious. I mean, we were working on this for about 5 minutes, and it is together and ready. Be great on a cracker, be great on a sandwich, or like Teresa just said, really good on a hamburger.
I brought you a cracker so you can.
You did? Yeah, let me try it.
Test it.
Let me try it.
A sandwich is the best.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, yes. I'm with you, Teresa. Boy, does that look good. Let's see.
Brings back memories.
So good. I don't make it every day. That is so good. So please make Bobby's Pimento and Cheese today. I think you and your family will be glad you did. And that's your summer time recipe for today. Voila, Bobby's Pimento and Cheese.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.